Does your flower bed look sad and disgusting? Are you in desperate need of curb appeal? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how I went from this to this.
2,000 years later.
Yes, it literally took me forever to get this flower bed together. So I started in August 2019 and it sat for months. And then I finally started really getting serious about it. I scoured Pinterest, Google, eBay, Etsy, Amazon, etc. Until I found the perfect flowers. I went through several different changes, as you'll see throughout the pictures. I kept some flowers, got rid of some flowers, added more flowers, took away flowers. So it was a never-ending process. I really wanted this flower bed to be perfect. If you read my blog, you'll understand the story behind how this came to be. So it was very important for me to complete this project. I also, as you'll see, I did the ledger board. I took some stripper and stripped that down, and then I put some primer on, and I added actually the skirting board, but then I also added a ledger board on top of that, so that would look a lot prettier and a lot nicer. Next, I'll be moving on to the porch, which that's the whole beast that I have to tackle, but that's neither here nor there. But yes, the flower bed is complete and I am so excited about the progress. If you'll notice, I also started with black mulch and then it faded like super quick. So I went ahead and got red mulch and I'm very happy with the red mulch. I think I'm going to stick with that. I will say that I'm not so happy with the edging. I did go for the cheaper option and I can totally tell. So I may replace that. I was thinking about doing stones, but then I thought about the fact that if I do the stones, you may not be able to see the succulents that I have along with the little rocks, so I may not be able to do that, but I'll probably at least get a better edging, because when they cut my grass, it really, that's when you can really see how cheap the edging is. So definitely recommend going with a better quality edging. But overall, I'm very, very happy with the way things turned out. So I know that I'm going to add more flowers. I will probably, initially I had fuchsia flowers and I replaced them with blue flowers. But with the fuchsia flowers, it was a lot fuller. So more than likely, I probably will add some additional blue flowers to fill that area in, because I really did like how that was a lot fuller. So I will more than likely do that in the days to come. But overall, like I said, I'm very, very happy with how things turned out. I hope that you also like it. This is just part one, so if you're interested in more details of how I put everything together, where everything came from, I will give you all the details. But I need each and every one of you to like, to subscribe. I'd like to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you guys help me to do that, I will make sure that I will give you, again, all the details for each and every item. And there's one thing that I didn't tell you. If you can't tell, these flowers are 100% faux flowers. So I expect this flower bed to last a lifetime. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just part one. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I'll drop that video with all the details of where each and every item came from. I won't leave anything out, but I need 1,000 subscribers. All right, so follow me on my blog, toolsandtwists.com. You can also follow me on Facebook at Tools and Twists, and you can also follow me on Instagram at tools_and_twists. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.
What's up, Robin?